Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the best trading indicator for scalping that will give you no more fake signals and you will get only the accurate and perfect signals by using this indicator, and you have to earn the maximum profit by using this indicator, and you will be amazed to see its strategy. Here I will be telling you that this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. And before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Xness. If you want to open your account with Xness, they will give you 5 options of accounts. Among them there are 2 standard accounts, standard cent, and 3 professional accounts, raw, spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission and no commission. So if you're interested to open your account with Xness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I want to tell you the most important thing, that is that this strategy works at its best on the short time frame from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. So I've chosen 30 minutes time frame here, and the pair that I'm using here is the Euro USD. You can choose any other pair from here. So the first indicator that we are going to use here is the Perry Kaufman Adaptive MA. This is by Black Cat 1402, and 861 traders are using this indicator. Simply click on it, it will be applied on your chart. Now you will go into the settings tab. For doing few of the adjustment, you have to change its period F from 13 to 15, and you have to change its period S from 55 to 50, and simply click on OK. We are not going to change any other option here. Rest of the things are perfectly all right. Now we are going to add another indicator here, and that is Kaufman's efficiency ratio indicator. Kaufman's efficiency indicator, ratio indicator by Dodgy Emoji. 83 traders are using this indicator, and you have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now you can see from here, we will go into the settings of this, and we have to change in the style tab. We have to just uncheck high low from here, and we are not going to change any other thing. This is perfectly all right according to our requirements. So now I will be telling you that when to take the entry into the market for the buy and when to take the entry into the market for the sell. Let's suppose if Kaufman Adaptive MA, L2 Perry Kaufman Adaptive MA indicator is giving you the sell signal, you have to look towards 3 of the things that you have to see. The first thing, that you must receive a signal by Kaufman Adaptive MA indicator sell signal. Then you have to look towards your market should be below this EMA, this MA line, and then that your market should have a red candle that will be completed under this MA line. And then you have to look towards your ratio indicator, and that should be below this zero level line, right? And if all 3 conditions are fulfilled, you will be taking entry into the market for your trade. If you will feel that you have taken the right entry and then the market has gone above, but afterwards again it will come back, because this is a downward trend that is shown by the zones or the cloud that is given by this purple color. And if your market is in the uptrend, then your market, this cloud will be in the yellow or the light green color. So you should know that if it is in the downtrend, then it will be in the purple color. Okay, so here your market has taken, for some instance it gone up, but afterwards again it was our downtrend. So you have taken your profit from here till here almost, right? After that you have to you will not trade in this momentum when the market is moving just in the ranging market. Okay, when you have to take the trade, when you will get the signal by the Perry Kaufman Adaptive MA. For example, here this has given you the buy signal. Afterwards you have to see that your market has gone above this cloud, and your market candle is in the green color, and then you have to look towards your ratio indicator. This should give you the market trend or the candles or the columns above, or the histogram above this zero level. If it is above this zero level, it means you are right. You have taken the right entry into the market for the buy signal or for the bullish trend. So you have taken the profit from here almost till here. So this was your perfect and the right trade entry into the market. As you can see, from here till here I have told you, and your market was also in the above a zero signal. So this ratio indicator is basically showing you that your market is in the right trend, right? So you have to look towards your ratio trend for the confirmation, and this is how you can trade, by filtering out all fake or the weak signals. If we go and check any other market, for example in the gold market, so let's see how it works. For example, if we have got the buy signal from here, then you have to look towards that your market should be above this cloud, and your candles should be in the green color. Then you have to look that your this ratio indicator is also giving the columns or the histograms above zero level line. Then you have to take the right entry into the market, and you have taken the profit from here till here almost, and afterwards your market has gone down, but even then it was not given the proper entry, so you will not trade anymore. As it has started this level, you will exit from the market. And for the sell signal, as you can see here, this Perry Kaufman adaptive MA indicator has given you the sell signal. You have to wait for first candle to be completed below this cloud, and afterwards you have to look towards your ratio signal indicator. If this is also below the zero level line, you have to take the entry into the market, and from here till here almost you have taken the maximum profit by taking the right entry into the market. And now although your market has gone up, but still, because the Perry Kaufman adaptive MA did not give you the buy signal from the indicator, so you will not enter into the market. You have to take the entry into the market if all the conditions are fulfilled that I have recently discussed with you for the Euro USD chart. So you have to apply the same strategy for all of the pairs, and this is how you will get only the profits by applying the same strategy into your trades. So this was all about this strategy today. I hope you like this strategy. If you do not subscribe and like my video till now, please do not forget to like and subscribe it, and to use it for your own trading. Good luck from my side, and thank you for watching it.